Hi, I'm Rochelle.
And I'm Alicia.
We're with Wild Goose Meditation, and this is our first video in our mindfulness meditation series.
And one thing that's important to remember with mindfulness and meditation is that meditation is a path with no end. So you can put aside all of your Western socialized habits that we have of being very goal oriented, very progress centric. So, if you have a great meditation and then you walk away and you have a confrontation with someone, or you yell at your kids, or you are, short on patience or whatever.
Not that any of us have ever done that.
Exactly. I know nothing of this. I've heard of people who have this problem. Then just know you are worthy of sitting down the next day and having another meditation session, and that's just fine.
Yeah, it's about the journey.
Yeah.
So we're gonna just dive right into mindfulness, and I mean it's such a buzzword. It's such a hot topic, and we all talk about mindfulness, and then we're like, what even is that? How do we live mindfully? How do we get into that state of mindfulness?
Yeah. And so I think the essence of mindfulness is knowing what you're doing while you're doing it, and having your brain being in the same place as your body while you are there. So, while you're tucking your child in for bed, you are not thinking about the Netflix show that you're dying to watch and trying to rush through everything. And when you're lying in bed, you are not thinking about the presentation that is stressing you out the next day. Your head is on the pillow and your brain is also on the pillow, focusing on going to sleep. When you're doing the dishes, you're not thinking about something else. You are doing the dishes while you're doing the dishes.
Yeah, you're all in whatever you're doing. And this is important because it helps us build the foundation for being happy, for living with an attitude of gratitude. It helps us identify the happiness, the joy, the opportunities that are already available for us, that we don't have to look to the future or the past, or they're there already if you're all there in that moment.
So today's mindfulness meditation is going to be based on where is your brain, where is your body, and trying to get that brain to stop thinking about tomorrow's stress or yesterday's regrets and be in this moment. And so let's go ahead and do a couple of these exercises.
This exercise is going to be a quick body scan. This is excellent for stress relief. So go ahead and get into a comfortable position with your body supported, your arms supported. You can leave your eyes open or close them, whatever feels good. We're going to be squeezing different muscle groups on our inhale and releasing on the exhale. We're going to start with our toes and work our way up. And as we move through each part of the body, try to put your awareness in that part. We're going to go ahead and start with the toes. So curl them on your inhale and exhale and release. Inhale and squeeze your calves. Exhale, release. Inhale and squeeze the thighs all the way from the knee to the hip. Exhale, release. Inhale and tighten the muscles of your stomach. Exhale, release. Inhale, squeeze the muscles of your arms and your hands. Exhale, release. Inhale and shrug your shoulders up to your ears. Exhale and release. Inhale, tighten the muscles of your face. Smile if you can. Exhale, release. And on your next inhale, just repeat in your mind, I am present in this moment. And on your exhale, repeat in your mind, this is a wonderful moment. And this exercise is a great way to become present in your body and to release the tension that we all store in our bodies.
Make sure you are in a comfortable position. Breathe in a relaxed way. You can leave your eyes open for this meditation. We are going to be observing 5 things we can see, 5 things we can hear, and 5 things we can feel. You can do this exercise anytime you are feeling a surge or a high amount of anxiety or stress. Look around the room. Notice 5 things you can see. Don't think about these things or label them. Just notice them. Now notice 5 things you can hear. Now find 5 things you can feel. This could be the wind on your face or the pressure from the ground beneath you. You can continue doing these cycles of 5 things you can see, hear, and feel until you feel more calm. Don't worry if you keep finding the same 5 things. The point of this exercise is to ground you firmly in this moment. Thank you for meditating with us today.